Om Shanti. Essence of the Murli and Self Respect Point Experience. I, the soul, sit in the middle of the forehead, deeply understanding Murli is my oxygen of the life. Murli is nurturing my soul every day with all the love, all the sweet feelings. I sit in Madhuban in History Hall and experience Baba's presence. Shiv Baba has incarnated in Brahma Baba's chariot and experiencing so much loving drashti with total soft, gentle energy flowing on my soul. I practice Murli essence and self-respect from the Murlis. Today, June 8, 2024, Morning Murli, Om Shanti, Bap Dada, Madhuban. Essence. Sweet children, your sins are absolved by having remembrance, not through trance. Trance is a game only worth a few pennies. Therefore, do not have any desire to go into trance. Question. What caution does the Father give all of you children in order to save you from different forms of Maya? Answer. Sweet children do not have any desire for trance. This knowledge and yoga have no one connection with trance. The main thing is they study. Some go into trance and say, Mama entered me or Baba entered me. All of those are the subtle thoughts of Maya, about which you have to remain very cautious. Maya enters many children and makes them act wrongly. Therefore, do not have any desire to go into trance. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning. From the mother, the father, Bap Dada, the spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children, and spiritual children say Namaste to the spiritual father. Have a moment of silence. 3 times I take deep breath, close and open my fist, take my shoulders up, back and down, and in that total comfortable stage, I feel each and every cells of my body and my mind are absorbing Baba's Murli, which colors my heart and head with that spiritual divine vibrations. Essence for Dharana. Transform yourself at the confluence age. Reform your character by studying and by imbibing purity. Do not have any interest in going into trance, etc. Second, act for the livelihood of your body, but also have some sleep, because this is not Hatha Yoga. However, you must never forget the pilgrimage of remembrance. Remain so yog-yogd while preparing pure food and serving it to others that the hearts of those who eat become pure. Blessing. While taking Bapdada's trustee again, may you be a Rajrishi and master of yourself and be victorious over your subtle powers. It is easy to become a conqueror of your sense organs, but it requires subtle practice to become victorious over your mind, intellect, and sanskars, your subtle powers. Easily to adapt the sanskars or thought that you need at a particular time is said to be victorious over your subtle powers. It is the stage of a Rajrishi. If you order your power of thought to concentrate right away, then for the king's orders to be obeyed instantly in that way is a sign of being a master of oneself. By practicing this, you will pass the final paper. Slogan: the blessings you receive by doing service are the greatest gifts of all. My heart sings a song, Wa Baba Wa, Wa Drama Wa, Wa my fortune Wa. And now we'll practice self-respect points from the Murli. Number 1, I am spinner of discus of self-realization. In silence, I affirm while repeating this 3 times, I am a spinner of discus of self-realization. I am a spinner of discus of self-realization. I am a spinner of discus of self-realization. Number 2, I, the soul, climb high pilgrimage and experience sweetness of heaven. Continue the journey of affirmation. I, the soul, climb the high pilgrimage, experience sweetness of heaven. While taking Baba's drashti, I, the soul, climb high pilgrimage, experience sweetness of heaven. I, the soul, climb high pilgrimage, experience sweetness of heaven. Number 3, self-respect point. I, the soul, cook food in Baba's remembrance. Those who eat, their hearts become pure and melt. I, the soul, cook food in Baba's remembrance. So those who eat, their hearts will melt and become pure. I, the soul, cook food in Shri Baba's remembrance, so the heart of those who eat will melt and become pure. Number 4. I, the soul, becoming 16 celestial degrees complete, full. I, the soul, becoming 16 celestial degrees full. I, the soul, becoming 16 celestial degrees complete, full. Number 5. I, the soul, do great service and become great king in future. I, the soul, doing great service, become great king in future. I, the soul, doing great service now, becoming great king in future. All day long, I remain in this elevated consciousness. Keep contemplating these self-respect points and feel Baba's presence all around me. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.